The Georgia Public Safety Training Center needed a couple of volunteers to help them with a training exercise today. There was an unusual catch, though. They had to be drunk. Camila Williams was there to see what the class is about and how it's used in law enforcement training.
These law enforcement at the Georgia Public Safety Training Center are learning how to tell if someone is impaired from drugs or alcohol or just from a medical problem. But it's all part of an advanced training used in the field.
I want you to get kind of the feel of what's going to happen.
Michael Blute is preparing them for what they'll experience after an arrest.
They're learning a skill to kind of, like I said, refine that skill of the eye test, the horizontal gaze, and nystagmus.
These skills are part of the Drug Recognition Expert Program. It's an advanced level DUI impairment class. He says the volunteers who come to drink are helpful.
So we dose people with a certain level of alcohol so the students can learn some newer skills or refine some skills, and we can show them some things that helps with that.
According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, more than 11,000 people died in drunk driving accidents. Blute says the volunteers are given a small amount of alcohol, but not enough to be fully impaired.
You know, that nobody gets to a high level, nobody gets sick and those kind of things. It's just we get them just enough alcohol in their system to allow for the students to be able to get some information from them.
Officers in the class learn signs and symptoms of someone impaired, how to check vital signs, and the different categories of drugs. Blute says this class is different from the sobriety training course law enforcement takes.
Officers learn how to do roadside tests and interview and apprehend and detect impaired drivers. And then there's a drug driving course, which is a 2-day introductory course. And then this is a 9-day course.
They do a 7-day certification phase in Jacksonville, Florida after completing the 9-day classroom instruction. Then they will have an international certification. In Forsyth, Camila Williams, 13 WMAZ News.
The DRE program started in the U.S. in the 1970s and is now taught worldwide.